I'll be using workspaces for all of our time together. If you hadn't had a chance to check out the Python Basics course, definitely take a quick peek to see how to use workspaces and familiarize yourself with basic Python syntax. Let's jump over to workspaces and start exploring. We're using libraries that already exist in the Python package index because it's available and will help us quickly bootstrap and start our project. If you have a local installation of Python on your computer, you might need to type in a few commands into your console to install some libraries. In Workspaces, you should already have the libraries needed for this course. First, create a new workspace with the Python environment. Once you're in the environment, you'll see a console at the bottom half of the screen with the blinking cursor. That's where you type in commands and run Python files. We're going to be using a few libraries. We call them external libraries because it's external to our DataScience project. You can double check to see if you have these installed. We're going to use a bit of command line regular expressions, and you can see that we already have the ones we need for this course. When you need a library that's published in the Python package index, it's really easy to install it by typing in pip install and the library name. However, we already have the ones we need for this course. We'll be calculating a few things and creating some files in this course. And let me show you a demonstration of some outputs. And just as a reminder, when you create any sort of images or CSV files or PDFs with workspaces, you'll need to download the workspace and open up the files on your computer.